What is going on, guys? This is Riyad here again with another multiplayer platformer tutorial, and today we're going to start a new mod for our server, and it's gonna be a team deathmatch. Alright, so what we're gonna do in this tutorial is, when the player connects to the server, we're going to make him able to choose a team. Alright, so I've already started doing that, and well, first of all, I've added a variable to the client, and the name is can choose team. Alright, I've also added a constant, and it's choose team, which has the value of 12. Alright, so when a player when we initialize the client, we're going to send this request to the server, and it's get team request. What the script does, basically just send this to the server, which has the ID of choose team. Now when the server get this value, alright, so I've added this too. So if command equals choose team, then the server will see the server type and see if it's a team deathmatch. In this case, he will send a team request to the socket. So the socket, so the holder of this socket can choose his team. Now the send team request, which is called in the server, just send this ID to the client, and this client, so if we go back to the client in the networking, I just see if buffer ID equals choose team ID, then can choose team ID, choose team. Now can choose team equals true. Right, so I'm going to delete this. Right, so when we can choose a team, then I'm drawing a text here to just tell the player that he can choose a team. And in the step event, when we spawn a player, well, so here in the normal case, to spawn a player, we're going to not we want to make the player to spawn the player if he's on a team deathmatch, right, while this variable is false. Alright, now if this is true, then we're going to press the B to join the blue team, and that's by setting the team ID to the blue team ID. Alright, and of course we're going to reset this as false. Alright, and we're doing the same thing here for the when we press the R key. Now in the receive data script, so remember when we sent a spawn request, then I don't know if we did this before. Let me just see the ID of the player. So go to team deathmatch. Yeah, so it should work fine since we actually changed this before. Yeah, so this should work fine. Now when we press well, I'm going to just run the game, and hopefully the sound is recorded. Yeah, I hope so, because I was recording before that, and for some reasons I don't know, the sound didn't actually record. Anyway, so I'm going to change the server type to team deathmatch, and when we hit create, then you can see this message that is telling us press R to join a red team or press B to join the blue team. So I'm going to press B this time, and you see it, so the text disappear, and I don't know if I have a player now or not, but when we press E to change the weapon, you can see the weapon changing. That means we have a player on the game, but we can't see it, right? And that's because, if you remember, in the server, we're not sending the position or the sprites or anything to the client unless if it's a survive mode. So in this case, we're going to see else if global.server type equals team deathmatch, then in this case we're going to send survive mode data, or team deathmatch data. So we're going to just change this to TDM, and we're going to quickly create the script on the server folder. So send TDM data. Alright, so I'm just going to copy this one, so I'm going to copy everything here, and I'm going to paste it here. So we're just going to change just a few things here. So we don't need masters here, so it's just delete this from here, right? We also don't need this. Okay. Make sure you are sending the team ID. Yeah, so this is very important. The HP, the name, the tag, and yeah, so everything should work fine. Just a little thing here. So we don't need to send the waves, right? But we're going to, change this to the, well, we're going to create a few variables on the server. Now let's actually go to the server quickly and initialize some variables. So this variables for the team deathmatch. So the first one is gonna be blue team score. It's gonna be 0 when we start the, oh wait, blue team score, and of course the red team score. Okay, equals 0. And well, now let's get back to the script. Let's actually play this for the moment. Well, where is the, wait, where are we sending the server mode? Yeah, objects draw. So this should be fine for now. Just wait. Yeah, so here we're sending survive mode, SM. Well, and when are we getting this? Well, let me just get server type request. Alright, so that's cool. Now I'm going to the networking event and see when we get this. So SM server type equals property. Server type waves. Okay, well, what is this variable for? I really can't remember, but what I'm going to do here in the, well, yeah, so here we're gonna add one more case. It's gonna be team deathmatch. Alright, so in this case just going to change this to TDM mode, and also we don't need to drop that, so it's in the survive mode. But what we're gonna do is else if survive type or server type equals team deathmatch, and in this case we're going to draw both of the blue team score and the red team score. So I'm going to set the color to red, and I'm going to draw a text, and I'm gonna say well, let's just say red team, alright, plus string red team score. And we don't actually have this variable in the client, so don't worry. Red team score. Okay, I think we forgot a bracket. Yep. And I'm going to copy the same code here, and just going to change the color to blue. And I don't know if we have enough spaces to draw it under the red team score. What I'm going to do is change this to 60. And of course I'm going to change this to blue. Blue team score. Okay, let's go back to the create event of the client, and of course we're gonna add those two variables. So the first, make sure they are 0 when we start the game, of course. And wait, this should be semicolon. Same here, and make sure to change this to red. Alright. Now just more thin here. Yeah, I think that's fine. Well, one more thing to do is on the client. So in the draw event, wait, we're gonna say here yeah, so here we're gonna say if server type equals team deathmatch. If I'm not actually, I think the variable is server type, right? I can't remember, but whatever. So in this case, if the server type equals team deathmatch, then we're going to see the team of each player, right? So I'm in the the tag of the player. So in this case, well, I'm going to draw a rectangle. So draw, or triangle, I guess, triangle color. Is there triangle color function? I'm not sure. color. Yes, there is. Well, so I'm going to create a color here. So var color equals red by default. Okay. We're going to change the color to well, depending on this, well, depending on the team ID of the player, we're going to change this variable. So in case this variable is I think it's red team ID. Wait, that should be underscore. So in this case, the color is gonna be red. Else, color will be blue. Okay, so now we're going to draw a rectangle or triangle. Now, well, the x gonna be xx, yy, negative, well, let's say 16, just for, you know, testing. Okay, now I'm going just to mess with those variables. Well, it's actually say true. Now it's just for basic testing, so don't worry for that. What are we missing? Not lie. I'll just say true here. Doesn't matter. But now when we start the wait a little bit. Oh yeah, so it should be fine. Now let's add one more script. It's on the client, and it's gonna be get survive mode data, or should I say team deathmatch data. Alright, just need to, you know, it's copy everything here and paste it right here, but we're not sending the waves anymore. And let me just check the, so we're sending the, yeah, just the how many objects to draw, and then we're filling the, you know, the list. So this should be fine. Now when we run the game, if we press the B button, we should see a player with a blue triangle in top of it. So if that works, that means everything is fine. Now don't forget to change the server type to team deathmatch. Now I'm going to create you know, a server, and now I can see that the mode is the team deathmatch mode. I have here the score. Yeah, it's actually fine. And now I'm going to press the B button, and it seems like I cannot see anything. Seriously. Oh, and that's actually because I didn't even call the script. And where is it? Come on. Where are we even getting the, yeah, so here wait, where are we sending the server type anyway? Oh yeah, so it's here. Now if server type equals team deathmatch, then in this case we're just going to get TDM data. It's funny because every character is capital, but whatever. Come on. Alright, going to create server, change the deathmatch, can press B, and yep. So if you can see here, we have a blue rectangle, or triangle should I say. Well, I think it's not even triangle, it's just whatever. We can see a blue thing on top of this player. And what? Oh, do we have a monster here? Oh, I have a monster, seriously. Well, why? Oh yeah, so by the way, the alarm 1 or 0, I guess. Make sure. Wait. Oh, whoa. Let's actually delete this. Oh, I did that in the previous actually video when I was recording and it didn't work. So, but we need to do that in the the alarm 0, not 1. That's basically saying to not spawn you know monsters while we are not on the wait, why is not the keyboard working? Oh, it's Arabic. Whatever. So we don't need to spawn monsters if we are not on the survive mode. So that's basically it. Now I'm just going to the client draw event and try to mess with the triangle here. And oh, this should be actually 2, that's why. And I'm gonna change this to false. Oops. But well, I think it should be, well, this is just for testing. I'm going to set this as 25 and maybe 24 here, doesn't really matter. And this time I'm going to run 2 clients. So yeah, I'm going to run 2 clients on the game and see how it looks. Well, okay. Oh yeah, so we're not taking too much time, but yeah, come on. Okay, I think it's fine now. Wait. Now I'm going to run 2 instances of the game. The first one's gonna be the the server. I'm going to send this to Team Deathmatch. I'm going to create server. I'm going to join now, and I'm going to join from here. Oh, I thought it created a monster. Whatever. I'm going to connect from what the hell? What's that? Client draw, seriously? Seriously? Wait a little bit. Well, now the triangle is very little. Let me just see what's wrong with the, come on. Oh, where are we going, the players? It's here, right? No? Oh. Oh yeah, so it should be 13 or 13. Really sorry for that. But wait, what's wrong with the client when he joined? I mean, let me just see the real problem and see which line it is. Well, I'm going to create server. Team Deathmatch, create. Alright. You can try to join from this. Press B. Oh. Why did we have this error first? Seriously. I'm going to run one more client just to make sure. Seriously. Well, never mind. fine. I think yeah. So now, as you can see, we already can hit other players, but yeah. So if you guys had this problem that we had before, just tell me and try to copy the error message so I can fix it. But yeah, so I don't know if we can. No, I won't make this video too long, but for now I'm just going to stick with what we have right now. I'm just going to run the game one more time to see if the rectangle is fine. Probably not, but whatever. Come on. It's gonna be the fun. Oh, don't tell me that I did it. Oh, yeah. Okay. I thought that I created an installer, but hopefully everything will be fine this time. Now we're gonna press R, and yep, so I can see a red rectangle on top of this player, showing us that he's from the red team. Okay. And now I'm going to join. Yep, so we have it here. Invalid comparison type at where Java 0 object client. It didn't actually give us more details. Do set effort. So it in the client at WJ0. Okay, wait a little bit. Seriously. In the draw event, what's wrong? Oh, I think the problem is... Wait, where is it? It's here. Oh yeah, so team deathmatch. Where is the server type? Where is the server type? Oh, well, it's 0 when we start the game. Wait. Where's the problem, seriously? Well, I'm just going to run the client from here. Hopefully it will give us more details. Now I have a server running. Well, I'm going to join the server, hopefully. Yeah, so now we have this details. Gmail draw line 20 if my ID equals ID and tag equals player. Seriously? Draw line 20, where is it? Here. What's the problem? Oh, so by the way, I have changed the listener position. So wait, when you play the sound, I'm setting the position of the listener, of the audio listener, every time we play sound, and listener X and listener Y, we're getting them from the draw event script. and we need to set those variables as the same position of our own player. So we're just going to see if the tag is player, it have the same ID as ours. Now still, I think the problem is here with the tag. So what I'm going to see here, I'm going to, just in case I'm going to, oh, sorry, I think we need, to set this as a string, right? Because sometimes it will just, maybe this list will be empty, so you want to have this data as a string. So I'm going to run the game now. Hopefully it will work just fine. Oh, come on. Because usually the first, when there's no variable in the DS list, it will just return 0. So basically, oh wait, that's the problem, I guess. No, seriously, if tag goes, oh, we just, yeah, so it's basically it. Now we have the same error at line 26, I believe, and it's just because of that. So yeah, so we need to do this one more time here, string tag, and we're gonna do it one more time here. It's really annoying, but oh wait, I think I missed. Yeah, this should be here. Yeah, whatever. I think that's all. Now when we run the client, everything should be fine. Okay, so I'm going to join the blue team this time, and yeah, so now I can always apply damage to the other team members. Hopefully the grenades would work. I didn't even hit it. Well, I did, but I think we don't have this code yet. But yeah, so that was all for today, guys. Don't forget to like or subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.